In the wonderful world of movie productions, there are many things that go into making a great hit. A good script, good imagery, and a nicely assembled production staff. One of the key positions is the executive producer. The executive producer approves the budget and sometimes brings the financing and or key actors to the production. They hold meetings with the director, the producer, and make sure that they stay in line with the vision of the production. A good executive producer is a good leader and can develop diverse constituencies. They are a self-motivated entrepreneur. He or she has the vision of what is making money in the industry. A good example of an executive producer is Quentin Tarantino. I have admired his work for years and his going after projects that were in his heart. Like his movie Inglourious Basterds that gives homage to one of his inspirations, Enzo G. Castellari. Even in the use of spaghetti western character name like Django, whose name appears in quite a few of the spaghetti westerns. Another important role is the line producer, sometimes just called the producer. One responsibility of the line producer is to develop the budget, and after approval from the executive producer, manage it. Another important role is the line producer, sometimes just called the producer. One responsibility of the line producer is to develop the budget and after approval from the executive producer, manage it. They may hire the director and they hire the unit production manager. Another thing is he works with the director and the production team to define the vision of the project. A good producer knows how to delegate work and does not try to do everything themselves. They are able to handle stress and people and can mediate problems. They are a good motivator and a multitask well. A challenge that producers are having is having qualified local crew with shooting happening in so many different cities. A good example of a good producer is Robert Townsend. Robert Townsend was a trailblazer for the black filmmaker as well as the independent filmmaker. He is referred to as one of the godfathers of the indie films. In indie films like Hollywood Shuffle, he addresses the stereotypes that still plague black actors and actresses. What's really interesting is that both Robert Townsend and Quentin Tarantino both have a lot of executive producer positions and just producer positions.